Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a curious boy named Sam. One sunny morning, while exploring the nearby forest, he stumbled upon an injured parrot. Its vibrant feathers were dulled by dirt, and it looked frightened. Sam gently picked up the parrot and took it home. He cleaned its wounds and fed it daily. Over time, the parrot regained its strength and began to trust Sam. The boy named it Polly. Polly, in gratitude, started mimicking Sam's words, filling the house with cheerful chatter. One day, while Sam was at school, a fire broke